A lot of times in simplifying square roots incorrectly, students will say, oh, well, I have an x squared, so that means if I took the square root of that, then that'll be just x. And then everyone's like, oh, well, here's a 9, so the square root of a 9 is going to be 3. So that must be the answer. Well, actually, this is incorrect. Remember that if we can only take away a square root or cancel out a square root if we have a perfect square underneath. So we have to be careful. What this x squared minus 9 really is the difference of two perfect squares. It's not a perfect square as a whole. So let's rewrite this a different way so that we can actually see that it's not a perfect square. So x squared minus 9 is just simply x plus 3 times x minus 3. Notice, these are not actually the same factors. This one has a plus and this one has a minus. And this is as far as you can go with the square root. On the other hand, say if you had what looks a little bit different is, say if you had x minus 9 quantity squared. Now, this is actually a perfect square because you have x minus 9 times x minus 9. So it's multiplied by itself twice. So that means, since it's a perfect square, we can say that x minus 9 squared, and if I take the square root of it, it's just x minus 9.